switchblade comb. This is a comb switchblade thing. See, it's a comb. Oop, I don't do that. And it's small. And when I say it's small, I'm comparing it to a specific comb in this video. See, that one takes up his whole hand. Soup can. I'm gonna try to do the same thing, but with this smaller one. And instead of using a soup can, I'm gonna use a razor. Seems in there pretty good. Maybe I should cut it?
Remember how they taught you how much of it was fear. Refused to hand it down. The legacy stops here.
Alright, well that was my attempt of making a fucking switchblade.